Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope you will be fine students. Students, today we are going to learn about the cell. I am your science teacher Sadian Singh from Behriya Foundation College, Nashera Firoz. Students, in my previous lecture I told you about the cell. I also told you about the unicellular and multicellular organisms, and we also discussed the shape and parts of the microscope and function of different parts of the microscope. Today we have to learn about the cell. So students, open your book page number 20. Book page number 20. Have you opened? Okay. Let's start. Students, today we will learn about the structure of the cell. Then we will also study the difference between animal cell and plant cell. As I have told you, cell is the basic unit of life. All animals and plants are made up of cell, but there is a little bit difference between animal cell and plant cell. Today we will learn about this difference. So let's start our lecture of the day. First of all, once again, let's define the cell. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Cell क्या होता है? Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Cell जो है हर living thing की basic unit है. जितनी भी living things हैं दुनिया में, सब किस चीज़ से मिलके बनी है? Cell से. How many types of cell are there? How many types of living things are there? Two types, unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular organisms are those organisms which are made up of only single cell. Example was bacteria. And the multicellular organisms were those organisms which were made up of more than one cells. Example is animals, plants, etc. The unicellular organisms, they are very, very small in size. We can't see them with our naked eye. So what we have to use to observe these organisms, we have to use a microscope. There are many types of microscopes. For example, light microscope, compound microscope, electron microscope. In my previous lecture, I also told you about the microscope. I showed you microscope and I also told you about different parts of microscope. So today, let's start with the cell structure. Cell structure. What is the structure of the cell? Cell का structure कैसा होता है? So first of all, cell wall. Cell wall क्या होती है? The outermost boundary of the cell is called the cell wall. Outermost boundary of cell is called the cell wall. Cell wall is present only in plant cells. सिर्फ प्लांट सेल में सेल वॉल होती है, एनिमल सेल की सेल वॉल नहीं होती है. सेल वॉल इज प्रेजेंट ओनली इन प्लांट सेल्स. इट इज टोटली एब्सेंट इन एनिमल सेल्स. सेल वॉल इज हार्ड, rigid, and what is the function of cell wall? It gives shape and support to the cell. After cell wall, there is cell membrane. Inside the wall, there is a thin membrane called the cell membrane. Cell membrane is present in both animal cell and plant cell. This is cell membrane. What is function of cell membrane? Cell membrane allows the transport of material inside and outside of the cell. Then nucleus. In center or at the peripheral side there is a round shaped organ known as nucleus. Nucleus is also called the brain of the cell. Why? Because nucleus controls the all activities of cell like brain. Then cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like material present inside the cell. It is a fluid or liquid material, jelly-like material present inside the cell. This is called the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm has many organelles in itself. Small organelles present in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm gives a place for different organelles. Give the cell a specific shape. Due to filling of cytoplasm, cell remains in shape. Now, chloroplast. Chloroplast is present only in plant cell. In animal cells, chloroplast is absent. It is a green pigment, green color pigment called chlorophyll, which gives a green color to the plant. Plants look green due to presence of chlorophyll. In plant cell, there is present a large vacuole in the center. This vacuole is filled with water, and this water-filled vacuole maintains the water content of the cell. अगर ये वैक्यूल नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा, सेल के अंदर वाटर स्टोर नहीं होगा. वाटर स्टोर नहीं होगा तो सेल डिहाइड्रेट हो जाएगा, सेल डाई हो जाएगा. यू अंडरस्टैंड द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द सेल. ओके, नाउ इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एनिमल सेल एंड प्लांट सेल. वन डिफरेंस आई हैव टोल्ड यू in the start of my lecture. Number 1, cell wall. Cell wall is absent in animal cell. In plant cell, cell wall is present. Where is cell wall? Cell wall is the outermost boundary of a plant cell. Look, like this is a typical plant cell. Cell wall is the outermost boundary of the plant cell. If cell wall is the outermost boundary of plant cell, then what is the outermost boundary of the animal cell? Obviously, it is cell membrane. Cell membrane. Cell membrane is the outermost boundary of animal cell. Okay. So in case of plant cell, cell membrane is located. Where is cell membrane? Cell membrane is inside cell wall. This is cell membrane inside the cell wall, and in case of plant cell, cell membrane is the outermost boundary. Number 3, animal cell has many small vacuoles, while plant cells have one large vacuole. This animal cells has many small vacuoles. This is the nucleus. This is nucleus of plant cell. Okay, let's label them also. This is cell wall. This is cell membrane. This is the vacuole. This is the nucleus. This is also a nucleus. This is cell membrane. Okay. Now chloroplast. What was chloroplast? I told you, a green pigment. Now animals don't have green pigment. Do you see the any animals? Do you see the animals green color? No. Animals don't show green pigment. So chloroplast is absent in animal cells and present in plant cell, because plants are green in color. Okay, and green pigment in plants is due to presence of a chloroplast. Chloroplast has a pigment chlorophyll. Now look at your book, page number 20. Here you have shown the diagram of animal cell and plant cell. Look at this. Students, is it clear? Yes, it is clear now. Look at this diagram. This is an animal cell and this is a plant cell. Now look at the difference. What is the difference? In animal cell, cell wall is the outermost layer. Inside the cell wall, cell membrane is present, while in animal cells, in plant cells, cell wall is the outermost membrane. In animal cell, cell membrane is the outermost layer. Cytoplasm is present in both. Nucleus is also present in both. What is the difference? Major difference is cell wall, large vacuole. The major difference is cell wall, large vacuole, and green pigment called the chloroplast. So what is the major difference between animal cell and plant cell? Animal cells don't have cell wall, plant cell have cell wall, number 1. Number 2, plant cell have a large vacuole, animal cells have small vacuoles. And number 3, green pigment called chloroplast is present only in plant cell. Okay, students, it was our lecture today. And what is your homework? You have to try to solve this exercise. What is the nucleus? Why the nucleus is called control center of the cell? It's understood that nucleus control all the activities of the cell. Therefore, nucleus is called control center of the cell. And what is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is a jelly-like material present inside the nucleus. What is it like? It is jelly-like. What is cell? Vacuole. A large organelle present in the animal cell which store water is called the vacuole. Okay. Now you draw these both cells, differentiate them, and also give me answer of these questions. Thank you, students.